How can you use Firmbee for project management? Follow these 4 steps to get your things done in a more planned and organized way. Work on projects. Thanks to Firmbee, you can keep all your projects in one place. When adding a new project, fill in all the details along with the project budget information. What's awesome is that you can set the priority of the project, use your own tags, and determine the project risk. Manage your team's work. Collaborate with others and keep everyone updated by adding your co-workers to projects. Set a Kanban board where you can plan all stages of your work, add tasks, and distribute them among your team members. You can tag your users, share notes, comments, documents, and feedback. Also encourage your team to track their time spent on tasks. This will help you estimate the cost effectiveness of your projects and calculate project costs. Organize your contacts. Keep all contacts related to your projects in one place. Store your contractors, co-workers, and project details in a centralized database. Track project budget and issue invoices automatically. Our app also helps you track your finances. Easily check the project budget, the amount left, amount spent, revenues, and associated expenses. Issue invoices based on this information and track the statuses of your client payments. See? With Firmbee, you manage all your tasks from one central place. Start using our all-in-one project management system. Go to firmbee.com and use it for free.